Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 10th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir is continuing to drop down. We dropped a further $1.73. That's good for 7.13%. We closed at 22.52, and post-market, we seem to be up by 12 cents. You will notice that I just redraw my lines a little bit. They were getting very messy. The 23.74 I was talking about, the support at 23.74 yesterday that maybe the stock could be respecting has not been respected. And I drew this other support resistance at 23.13 because we had the gap here. We had the gap on August 11. This part here is acting as support and this part here is acting as resistance. So I did I drew the two lines. So we broke through 23.74 and we even broke through 23.13. And we went as low during the day as 22.12. So the stock is dropping like a rock. What else can I say? What else can I say? There's, and we have a support here at 21. So there's a pretty clear support here at 21. This is the next stop. This is the next stop. Are we going to stop at 21 or are we going to stop at 1790? That's the big question. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah. What else can I say? Just dropping, but then stopped at 22.49. So 22.49 on the 1 hour chart seems to be a little bit of a support. How long will it hold? That's the big question. Even on the 1 hour chart, the stochastic is at 7, So stochastic starts to start on the slower time frame. On the 1 minute chart, then things might be picking up. And on the 5 minute, we don't really see it. On the 1 hour, we see it even less. And the daily, we see even less. And now on the 1 hour chart, we are not seeing much of anything. Even this last hour is a red candle. Stochastic at 7, RSI oversold, MACD and the MIAP. This does not bode well for tomorrow. But don't act on what I say and what I think. Act on what is happening. So let's see what happens tomorrow. I am just giving my impression. Let's go to the daily chart. We have a stochastic at 8. RSI really down. We broke. Okay, let me just do these. I need to draw these back. So this is below 60. I'm going to do it like this. We have a breakover bearish. So I'm going to do this. And the two lines are not above 0. So I'm going to put this here. And the DMI is bearish too. Red all the way. So this is where we are at. In terms of strategies, I own some puts. I own some puts that I bought somewhere here when I saw that we were dropping and that stochastic was staying in the tank. So I have some puts here, some $21 put for December or something like that. So we'll see what happens. So I'm going to be in the money around 21. And if it even goes further, so I might be selling a little bit here around 21 and let the others run to see maybe we go down to 1790 and then at some point I'll start thinking about buying the stock again. But I am out of Palantir for myself. We just need to let the knife go down and pick it up afterwards. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.